Hey diecast collectors, Hot Wheel collectors, Donovan the Great One. Been going through a few things I have up for trade here, or yeah, mostly for trade. Looking for a lot of supers from 2015 yet. So got this M2 Chase hauler, really sweet, with the VW van here. Of course, the gold trim on the truck and all that. I guess it says 1,600 pieces here. Got that. Got another M2. Got the raw Foose 69 Camaro. 1,000 pieces of that, I guess, worldwide. Actually, I have two of those. So if somebody's looking for one of those, or two, also have the chase of the Volkswagen van here. That's also limited to 1,000 pieces. And another M2 I have is this Mopar COE. That's pretty sweet. Gold trim on that as well. And also another Foose piece here. 2,800 pieces of this. It's like a Roadster, yeah, 32 Roadster. Raw. Cool, nice piece there. Also have a couple of Hot Wheels Classics. These were the Real Riders with the Spectra Flame paint and the foil on the card there. It is 58 Edsel. Also we have Mini Cooper 2001, same deal, Real Riders special paint. This one, the card has a little bit of a crease in it if you look carefully there. Foil on the card there, so I have those. I have this Sandblaster Super Extra. Has a little bit of a divot here, tiny bit on the plastic. I think that's from the truck being so long in there and putting a little stress on it, but the card's nice other than that. Greenwood Corvette. That's got a bad card in the corner there. Nice car though. Nothing else wrong with it. Moving along to some Matchbox here. Have the 60th anniversary of the Roadmaster bus. Very nice. The card, it's good, other than the plastic here is coming away from it a little bit due to a lack of glue, but you could touch that up with a little dab of glue if you wanted to leave it in the package. Very, very nice. This was a very hard piece to find for me. I got a couple of Hot Wheels here. Have a couple of the Knight Riders, the Knight Rider kit 2000. If anybody is looking for that. And I have this BMW 2002. That's a very cool car. They were out a real long time when they were out, if I remember right. Actually, when I was looking through my cars, I thought it was a Datsun Bluebird at first because it's very similar. Let me take a first glimpse at it. I have these two Bluebirds also. They're both on card. I think the card's pretty nice on them. It's like a gunmetal, and then the red one. So I have those. Anybody's into Dodge Vipers, I have a Viper GTS made by Racing Champions. This was a special edition done for Viper Club of America, one of their festivals. It's a nice piece if you collect Viper stuff. And then we're going to get into last remaining things I have here. Got this at Hobby Lobby. I think most of these I might have picked up there. This one is a slot car. It's a chase piece Challenger, 70 Challenger, white rubber tires. Very, very, very cool piece with the white metallic pearl paint. So, have that. And I also have the Plymouth Hemi-Cuda, a 70. That also has rubber tires on it. That is also a slot car chase piece. So that is hard to come by as well. Keeping in with the Chrysler theme here, we have another 70 Cuda. Or if I'm right here, I'm not sure. Wait a minute. No, actually that's Challenger, I think. This is not the slot car. This is a friction rollback racing action. It's a friction car. It's similar but not an electric slot car. That is rubber white tires also. That's a chase piece. And then we have the same thing here with a Corvette Grand Sport, I believe. That is the chase white tires as well. That's pullback. And we also have a Mustang here that's pullback. And white chase rubber tires as well. So those are what I have right now for extras and trades. Anybody see anything interesting, let me know. Jason, this is a video basically showing you what I have for any trades. So anybody else interested in anything here, I'm looking for some supers. You can message me or comment, and we'll see if we can work something out. Thanks for watching, guys. I haven't been finding much lately, so no find video, but hopefully in the future I'll have something for you. Thanks again.